Hey everyone, it's Alice here, bringing you the latest in Canadian politics. Big news today as Labour Minister Seamus has announced that he will not be running in the next federal election and will be stepping down from his cabinet position this Friday. O'Regan cited personal reasons for his departure, emphasizing the need to prioritize his family. It's always a tough call when public service intersects with personal life, and O'Regan has decided it's time to focus on his loved ones. He will, however, continue to serve as an MP until the next election, ensuring his constituents are represented while the Liberals navigate this transition period. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau has praised O'Regan's contributions to the cabinet, highlighting his dedication and hard work during his tenure. Trudeau spoke warmly about O'Regan, calling him a steadfast advocate for workers' rights and a vital member of our team. So, what happens next? Trudeau has announced that O'Regan's replacement is expected to be sworn in this Friday. This quick turnaround ensures that the Labour Ministry remains stable and focused on its agenda despite this significant change in leadership. It's important to note that this resignation comes at a time when the federal Liberals are experiencing declining poll numbers and growing speculation about a potential cabinet shuffle. Political analysts are buzzing with theories about how this move will affect Trudeau's strategy and the party's standing with voters. O'Regan's departure could be the first of several changes in the cabinet, as Trudeau might be looking to refresh his team's image and approach ahead of the next election. With the political landscape shifting, every move counts, and the Prime Minister will have to play his cards wisely. For Labour Minister O'Regan, this decision marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of another, a more personal one. As he steps away from the national spotlight, his contributions to Canadian politics won't be forgotten. His focus now shifts to his family and personal well-being. A reminder to all of us about the importance of balancing our professional and personal lives. Stay tuned for more updates as we keep an eye on the unfolding political scene and Trudeau's next moves. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more political news and analysis. Catch you in the next video.